everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn your regular photo into a Zootopia style movie portrait featuring Nick Wilde using an app called Face. It's super easy, fast, and you can do it for free. So start it. First, just go ahead and then just open Face app. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the Play Store. And then after that, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamfast will offer a free package with weekly free credit, so you can try out these AI filters without paying anything. Next, after you log in, you will be taken on the home page like this, and then here's just simply tap on AI filters, this one. This is where all the magic happens, and then just go to new arrival sections, this one. This section usually contains the newest filters and special character designs, and then just look for the filter that called Cutter News. This one. This is the one that gives you that Zootopia like movie effect, complete with the iconic character styles. It will work perfectly for recreating a scene or a movie poster that matches Nick Wilde's world. Just choose your photo that you want, like this, and then for the best result, just use a photo with good lighting, a clear face, and objects blocking your eyes. And then once you select your image, just tap on animate. And okay, like this, your Zootopia style portrait is ready. You will see your photo transform into an animated character that fits perfect into the Zootopia universe like this, with a clean 3D movie look like this. It's super fun, and sometimes the results are so incredible. And okay, that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.